You did it. You're into DMU.
You have done your A-levels, you are finished, you've got no more revision to do, no more getting up early in the morning, you don't have to listen to mum and dad anymore because you are coming to university.
So that's it. All the hard work is paid off. This is where life gets dramatically better. You'll make friends for life, you'll get a degree at the end of all this as well as your social life being amazing.
It'll be so good at university. But if you want any more information before you get here, contact me, rather than call me, on aevans@dmu.ac.uk.
Or contact me on jwells02@dmu.ac.uk.
But right now it is time to celebrate those good times.